Chloe and I'm here today to do a first impressions on the new Ariana Grande Thank You Next fragrance. So first off, I love the packaging. It's so Ariana. So this is what it looks like. So I love that it comes in this little heart. It's like a little holder. So this is the first time I'm smelling it. So it smells really fruity and really light. It kind of reminds me of her previous fragrance, Cloud, just a bit more fruity, and it's really, really nice. And the packaging also reminds me of that as well. It's really cute. You can put it on your makeup vanity, and yeah, I love it. So the top notes of this fragrance are white pear and white raspberry, with the middle notes being creme of coconut and pink rose petals. And the base notes of this fragrance are macaroon sugar and velvet musk. I love the Thank You Next song, and I love this perfume too. It's definitely a great perfume for moving on from a breakup and looking forward. So the fragrance is now available in selected Superdrug stores, so why not smell it for yourself or shop online?